morning, students. Welcome to online classes conducted by St. James School. So, students, today I am here with you, an interesting topic: patterns and meridians. This is your first chapter. Now I am going to start. You already know what maps and globes are. You are already well known about maps and globes. We use them to find places on the earth's surface. We use them to find places. हम उनका यूज़ करते हैं कि हमारे अर्थ पे, हमारे सरफेस पे कौन कौन से प्लेसेस कहाँ कहाँ पे हैं. ओके, जस्ट एज इट इज़ easier to find your friend's house if you know a shop or a cinema nearby, it is easier to find a place or a map or a globe in relation to a given place or a fixed point. You know, nowadays we are using smartphones. उसमें मैप्स होते हैं, डाउनलोड होते हैं, उनको हम देख के किसी भी जगह का पता जो हमारी लोकेलिटी होती है उसका पता लगा सकते हैं. कौन सा प्लेस किस जगह पर है, किसका होम किस जगह पर है, कहाँ पर जो सिनेमा हाउस है किस जगह पर है. तो इसी तरह मैप्स के जरिए जो है हम उस जगह का पता लगा सकते हैं कि कौन सी चीज़ किस जगह पर है, एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन पता कर सकते हैं. We can find the location of other places with respect to the fixed point. The North Pole and the South Pole are two known fixed points on the Earth's surface. Here the two poles are here. The two poles are here on our Earth, that is North Pole and South Pole. They are useful in forming a system for finding other places on the Earth. If you look closely at a map or a globe, you will see lines drawn on them. जब आप बहुत ही क्लोजली कोई ग्लोब या मैप देखते हैं, you always saw that वहाँ पर कुछ लाइंस जो होती हैं वो शो होती हैं. What are that? The lines that run sideways in the east-west direction are called patterns of latitude. लाइंस क्या कहते हैं? जो ईस्ट-वेस्ट डायरेक्शन में होती है उन्हें क्या बोलते हैं? पैटर्न्स ऑफ लैटिट्यूड. The lines that run from top to bottom in the north-south direction are called meridians of longitude. Means जो other lines होती हैं जो north और south direction में होती हैं उन्हें बोलते हैं meridians of longitude. The patterns of latitude and the meridians of longitude are drawn using the poles as reference points. They make grid that makes it easier to find a place. और जो ग्रिड होती हैं ये हमें और भी ज़्यादा किसी प्लेस को फाइंड आउट करने में हेल्प करती हैं. पैटर्न्स ऑफ लैटिट्यूड. नाउ आई टेल यू व्हाट आर पैटर्न्स ऑफ लैटिट्यूड. द पैटर्न्स ऑफ लैटिट्यूड और पैटर्न्स आर द बाउंड्री लाइन्स ऑफ इमेजिनरी सर्किल ड्रॉन अराउंड द अर्थ. व्हाट दे आर? द इमेजिनरी सर्किल ड्रॉन अराउंड द अर्थ. ऐसी सर्किल जो इमेजिनेशन होती है, हमारी इमेजिनरी होती है, वो ग्राउंड में जो अर्थ होती है उसके चारों तरफ होती है. दे आर रन इन द ईस्ट वेस्ट डायरेक्शन. और ये कैसे रन करती है? ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट डायरेक्शन में रन करती है. द पैटर्न्स ऑफ लैटिट्यूड हैव बीन नेम्ड सो बिकॉज दे आर पैरेलल टू ईच अदर. व्हाई वी कॉल इट पैटर्न्स ऑफ लैटिट्यूड? बिकॉज दे आर पैरेलल टू ईच अदर. एक जैसी होती है और एक पैरेलल होता है. टू लाइन्स are said to be parallel if they never meet and the distance between them remains the same all along their length. And two parallels never meet. जो two parallel lines होती हैं वो कभी मिलती हैं क्योंकि लंबाई चौड़ाई में एक ही जैसी होती है. The equator is the longest parallel. What is equator? Equators are the longest parallel. It runs around the middle of the earth and lies halfway between the two poles. Two poles का जो halfway होता है उसे क्या बोलते हैं हम? Around middle of the earth and lies halfway between the two poles. इसको बोलते हैं equator. The equator divides the earth into the northern and southern hemisphere. The other parallels lie to the north and south of the equator. They become shorter as we move away from the equator. They are just dots at the two poles. और वो कैसे दिखते हैं? टू पोल्स पे जैसे डॉट्स होते हैं वैसे ही. The parallels are numbered. The equator is marked 0 degree, starting from the equator and moving north. The parallels are marked from 0 to 90. How the parallels marked? Parallels marked 0 to 90 degree. In the same way, they are marked from 0 degree to 90 degree, starting from the equator and moving south. The letter N or S added after the number tells us if the parallels is in the northern or the southern hemisphere. The north pole is 90 degree north and the south pole is 90 degree south. Two important parallels lie between the equator and the north pole. They are the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle. The important parallels between the equator and the south pole are the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle. Now, look at the next heading, meridians of longitude. Now, I'll tell you what is meridians of longitude. A meridian of longitude or meridian is the curve of an imaginary semicircle that joins the two poles. What they are? Imaginary semicircle which join the two poles. The meridians run in the north-south direction. And meridians कैसे run होते हैं? North-south direction. All meridians are of the same length. जितने भी meridians होते हैं वो same length के होते हैं. Look at the picture on the left. Look at the picture on the left. You can see that the distance between two meridians becomes smaller as we move away from the equator and towards the poles. Near the poles, the meridians are crowded together. They all meet at the poles. कहाँ पर ये सारे मिलते हैं? They all meet on the poles. The meridians passing through Greenwich in England is taken as the 0 degree meridian. It is called the prime meridian. What is prime meridian? Prime meridian which passing through Greenwich in England. The meridians are marked 0 degree to 180 degrees starting from the prime meridians and moving east. In the same way, they are marked 0 to 180 degree starting from the prime meridian and moving west. The letter east or west added after the number tells us if the meridians is to the east or west of the prime meridian. What are prime meridians? Prime meridians which are passing through Greenwich in England. The 180 degree east meridian is the same as the 180 degree west meridian. So, the 180 degree meridian has neither east nor west after the number. This meridian and the prime meridian together divide the earth into two equal halves. The half to the east of the prime meridian is the eastern hemisphere and the half to the west is the western hemisphere. The east of the prime meridian is the eastern hemisphere and the half to the west is the western hemisphere. Meridians and time. Have you watched a cricket match played in another country live on television? Live on television. Have you seen any cricket match? You seen them? Where you seen that? On your television? Is that happens at your home? No. It happens in another country, but we can watch it on our television. Okay? Mostly, the time there does not match the time in India. For example, when a match starts in the morning in England, it is already afternoon in India. When in England there is afternoon, then here in India will be morning, afternoon, and morning will be in other country, England. India and England are now on different meridians. We can say that there is a time difference between places on different meridians. The places which are in different meridians, there will be time difference also. There is a time difference between places on different meridians because they have sunrise and sunset at different times. Why? Because the sunset and the sunrise time will be different in the different meridians. So there will be a time difference in different meridians. Places on the same meridians have the same time as they have sunrise and sunset at the same time for any given place. The time in places to its east will be ahead of its time because the sun rises earlier there. And the time in places to its west will be behind its time. For example, Singapore is to the east of India. It is 2.5 hours ahead of India. When it is 8 a.m. in India, it is 10:30 a.m. in Singapore. When in India, there will be 8 a.m. Then in Singapore, there will be 10:30 a.m. Another way of saying this, India is to the west of Singapore and is 2.5 hours behind Singapore. Okay? Now finding a place. How we can find a place? Look at the map, try to find city. A on it. Did it take you long? What if you were told to look for the city in square B3? Would this make your job easier? This is exactly how the parallels and meridians help us to find a place. They divide the surface of the earth into a grid. If we know which part of the grid to look in, we can quickly find a place on a map or a road. To locate a place on a map, we need to know the number of parallels. When we are finding a place on a map, we have to know the number of parallels on that map. And the number of meridians also. That lie closest to it. Then we can find the place by looking near the point where the parallel and the meridian meet. Now, this was the chapter about parallel and meridian. Now we will move for the exercises. The first exercise, here some oral questions has given. The first question is, name the longest parallel of latitude. That is equator. Longest parallel of latitude is equator. Second question, only globes have, which of these are the boundary lines of imaginary circle parallels of latitude or meridians? Answer is parallels of latitude. Third question, what divides the earth into the eastern and western hemisphere? Answer is the prime meridian and the 180 meridian. Next question, which of these is more to the north, the Arctic Circle or the Tropic of Cancer? Answer is Arctic Circle. Next, a place has the 80° north and 150° west lines passing through it. To which hemisphere does it belong? Answer is northern and western hemisphere. Next exercise, fill in the blanks. First is, on a map, the parallels run in the east-west direction. Second, the 90° south parallel is known as the south pole. Next, the Tropic of Capricorn is in the blank hemisphere, southern hemisphere. Fourth, there is a time difference between places on different meridians. Next and last, the parallels and meridians have meridians and parallels drawn on them. This is false. Third, there are two parallels which have the number 16. This is true. Fourth, the prime meridian is the longest meridian of longitude. This is false. Next, meridians are far apart at the equator and come closer near the poles. This is true. Yes. Okay. Sixth, the prime meridian divides the earth into two equal halves. This is false. Okay. Now, the next exercise, choose the correct answer. The question is, the parallel number 0 is the equator. Okay. The second, the curve of an imaginary semicircle joining the two poles is a meridian. The northernmost parallel is the North Pole. Okay? North Pole. Next, for the line passing through Greenwich in England is the prime meridian. Okay? Answer will be prime meridian. Next and last, you can see line of latitude and longitude on a map or a globe. Okay? Now answer the questions. First question is, name 5 important parallels of latitude. Answer is equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circles are 5 important parallels of latitude. Second question, what is prime meridian? Why is it important? I told you during teaching what is prime meridian. The prime meridian which passes through Greenwich in England is called the prime meridian. It is marked as 0 degree and is taken as the starting point for numbering the meridians. Okay. Next question. Give two differences between parallels and meridians. First difference, the parallels run in the east-west direction, but the meridians run in north and south direction. Second, the parallels are circle and the meridians are semicircle. Okay. Fourth question, why do places on different meridians have a time difference? There is a time difference between places on different meridians because they have sunrise and sunset at different times. Because it has sunrise and sunset at different times. That's why here a time difference. Next and last question, how do parallels and meridians help us locate a place? Answer, to locate a place on a map, we need to know the number of the parallel and the number of meridian that lie closest to it. Then we can find the place by looking near the point where the parallel and the meridian meet. Okay? These all were the questions related to the chapters and your exercise has been complete. You all have to learn at home, complete your all the subjects